Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to add CAPTCHA in WooCommerce registration form. Let's go. Open Plugins. Find WordPress CAPTCHA. Install now and activate this plugin. Open Settings, Advanced Google recaptcha. Select CAPTCHA type and open Google recaptcha website. Create your CAPTCHA. Copy case and paste. Let's check it out. That's it. Now you know how to add CAPTCHA in WooCommerce registration form. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.